When we're naming alkanes, there are 3 main steps that we want to always go over and always double check. So the first one, definitely start with this one always. Find the longest carbon chain. And beware of this, we will go over several different examples, but always start off with finding the absolute longest carbon chain. There will be times that, let's say, you find 2 of the same, or you might miss one. So definitely practicing, even highlighting and seeing which one has the longest carbon chain so you don't miss it. The second step is then to number the carbon chain so that we have the most substituents and the lowest number at each substituent. And then lastly, you will have to identify the different types of substituents and name them. So remembering all the different alkyl groups that we previously covered, remembering a lot of the prefixes that we also went over, and we will see other different prefixes for functional groups and so on. So